way to school. I will be getting back to you guys soon. I'll ask some of my teacher if I vlog in class. I'll probably just use my phone then, because I won't be able to carry my camera in class. But yeah. So hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to smash the like button for vlog 1. I'm going to be trying to do these every week. I'll try to do 1 or 2. I just have really bad internet. I can't upload. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Yo, what's up, guys? I just got back from school, and so now I have to go put my application in at one place. I'll probably take you guys with me, and then me and Connor will be heading to I think Best Buy first, and then either the Subaru dealership, Subaru or Ford. I think we're going to Subaru first to look at some BRZs, or WRX, one of the two. But yeah, catch you guys later. So what's up, guys? I just got done with my interview, and right now I'm going to pick up Connor because he wants to, well, for me to drive, but I'll pick you guys up in a second. Messed that up, but I'll pick you. So what's up, guys? I just got done with my job interview. It went pretty well. He said he'll give me a call in about a week if any new jobs open up, because I'm still in high school right now, and I can't really get out of school right away when he needs me. But yeah, it sounded pretty promising, but it's gonna be alright. I'm going to pick up Connor right now. He's at his house, so I'll pick you guys up back when I get to Connor's. Peace. What's up, guys? Wolfpack. We're about to go hit up a car dealership. Oh my god, what we do. We're freaking white ballers. That's not racist, we're actually white. So. Anyways, about to go hit up a car dealership, maybe test drive a BRZ or something. What do you think? Probably a BRZ. Hopefully. We'll get something going, so we'll freaking check back in. Kind of like the looks of the Dodge freaking
Dart? Yeah. Alright, guys, so we picked it up.
Not fast.
Right here.
And I got one.
And you got one,
cool.
because, you know, he's Connor. Has to get everything I have.
I buy everything. I'm buying a new car.
I forgot to lock my car.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's not smart, dude.
That's not safe.
Someone could steal it.
Yeah, I still unlocked it for some reason. Anyways, so we're probably going to get something to eat or go to a dealership. Probably gonna get something to snack on first. But
Cause
yeah,
you know,
we're hungry.
You know.
And we need to eat.
Don't you know? What?
Anyways. Yeah. This kid's crazy.
Dude, my name's not Wyatt Burkle. I'm not jealous of everyone, okay?
True. Well.
Hey, okay. Dude, check out this truck. What even?
I don't even know. That's like parts from every truck around here.
Yeah. Woohoo! Look at the Mustang. Pretty. Okay, you shouldn't give me the camera. I'm gonna do some stupid stuff. We're gonna go look at some cars. We'll let you know what's up.
Yo, what's up, guys? So we just looked at the Ford Focus STs. I think Connor's gonna close the deal on one.
Oh yeah.
So
if I had 25 grand.
If you had 25 grand. But
And a job.
And a job. We needed those. But,
It'll be cool.
But yeah.
We talked to the guy.
Talked to the guy.
He said someone's looking for a lot attendant. So maybe. You never know, dude.
So now we gotta get in my sick ride. And I don't know where we're going from here.
There's a guy up there fucking staring at me, dude. Weirdo. He's still staring.
There.
Oh, he just turned around. Oh,
Heard the horsepower and turned around.
Vroom,
But
vroom.
yeah, we'll catch you guys
At
where are we going?
a Subaru dealership.
Alright, catch you guys there. Peace.
Really? Is it really recording?
Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? We're gonna go look at
Cool GTI.
08 Subaru right now. I think it has 68,000 on it. There's a STI up there. We'll show you when we get up there. Oh. Oh, holy.
Yes or no?
Alright,
If it's positive or obvious.
It's pretty nice.
How much is this thing going for?
16.9.
16.9? Come on.
That's expensive. Yeah.
What's that?
Those are expensive rims and tires too.
Probably have a used spot.
Hey, what's up, you guys? My camera died, so I wasn't able to finish the video. I'm at my house right now, but hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked the video and share it with your friends. And yeah, so I think Connor's getting one of those cars soon. So I'll insert some of the pictures of the cars and tell us what you think in the comments we should get or he should get. And I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.